Righto everyone, 6-gear motorcycle here. It come to my attention that the BMW Scrambler build is outstanding. And when I say it's outstanding, I don't mean it's marvelous, I mean it's not completed. We need to rally around now, chaps, and get this bike built. Come on now everyone, we will build them. We will build them in the garage. We'll ride them. We'll ride them in the hills. We'll ride them in the roads. And we'll ride them on the beaches.
Well, hello everyone. I'm back in the garage and it's time to get this build started. I've had a real big tidy up in here. The layout of the garage has completely changed. I've made myself a nice good working space over here. All my parts are over here, more or less. There's still some up in the rafters, but it's enough to get me started. Yeah, I'm going to get the engine out up onto these plastic crates. Proper technical bike lift. And get the build started. Get a mock-up. Just going to mock it all together. Put the bike back together basically. And as I go, I'm going to fix problems, get new bearings, new fittings, bits and pieces that I need to make all this stuff fit the bike. So, I hope you enjoy. I hope it's going to be fun. I've got lots and lots of new stuff to show you. I won't bore you with all that right now, but I think it's going to look pretty good by the time I'm done. Hopefully I can overcome the problems. There is going to be problems with this build. That are going to be hard to overcome, but I'm pretty determined to do it, and I'm very determined to do it. So anyway, enough talking, let's get on, let's do it. Right everyone, I've just come out again. I've cut out some of this video because I was putting the frame and the swing arm or the shaft drive on, and yeah, it was very it was a pain in the ass getting it on, and it's quite heavy, and in the process I've managed to pull my back, which wasn't great. But I continued, I stopped for a bit and continued, and I've got to this point. It really isn't much work, to be honest. I've just cleaned up all the black paint that the previous owner put on a lot of the, well, the whole of the bloody bike. So yeah, I've just given it a little clean down. I was going to come out and try and do some more and wrap up warm. It's quite a cold day today, but my heater is just rubbish and my lower back is stuffed. So I'm going to have a rest because I don't want to push it so much that I can't work. I've got to go to work tomorrow, and it's a bit of a heavy manual job at times. So I've got to look after my back and stay working and stay fit. But that's where it is at the moment. I'll get the other camera and I'll give you a little walk around. Right, so here we are. Here is the offending item. This little bugger is a bit of a sod to get on. It's shaft driven, and it's got a shaft going all the way up through the swing arm, and it connects in here on the back of the engine, and you've got splines you need to match up, coming off the swing arm and going into the engine, going onto the engine, the drive, and yeah, it's a bugger to do because the swing arm is quite heavy. And yeah, Grizz's back gave out on him, but I'll be okay. I'll push on. I've given it a bit of a clean up. It was covered in paint. I'm not too worried about getting it that clean at the moment, because I will at some point repaint it. But anyway, we've got to put on, or I've got to put on the front frame next, so I can then suss out how to fit. And how about I'm going to go fit in the new front wishbone, or the telly lever arm, isn't it? I think that's called, actually. Got to suss out the seat. That's going to take a fair bit of messing around with. I've got to measure up the front wheel for new bearings so I can fit a drive shaft. I've got a lot of new parts in here that I've yet to show you. This is the billet top yoke and the handlebars. We've got all bits and pieces here. Handlebar grips, new fuel cap. What's in there? Oh, some hand guards, headlights, speedo, or whatever else. Yeah, other bits and pieces, but I'll get those out and show you all those. There's some quite nice bits there. But that is it for today. I'm going to take some rest. Hopefully my back will recover shortly, and we can crack on and get some more done. But happy to get the engine off the ground, get the frame on, get the swing arm in. Not happy that my back is wrecked, but I'm sure, I'm sure I'll recover shortly. I have got to go to work tomorrow, so I don't want to push it too much today. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and wait for the next installment of the BMW Scrambler build. See ya!